gentlemen, welcome you all on this beautiful evening. We all have gathered here for the prize distribution ceremony of the Renault Cute Kid Contest 2021. So Renault Mangalore is an authorized sales and service dealers for Renault cars in Mangalore and Udupi. And this is one such company which motivates and encourages and also gives an opportunity for their customers to showcase their talents by organizing various events every year. And I'm very happy to announce, even though because of this pandemic there was a lot of challenges, still we were very happy to organize many events, and all the events were successful. And we have also conducted Muddu Krishna competition, Cute Kid competition, and Women for Life competition, Artistic Kids, which was a huge success, ladies and gentlemen. So today, one among this competition was Cute Kid. So we are here gathered for the prize distribution ceremony of the same. So by the Nanchitina Mata Binner Naklegla Solmelin Sanda, can I hear a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Well, thank you so much. I would now like to request Madhuri to kindly come forward and welcome the gathering. Over to you, Madhuri.
Gentlemen and cute little kids, I'm extremely overwhelmed to get this opportunity to address you all on the propitious occasion of Children's Day celebration. Children are the future of tomorrow. All these children we witness today receiving honors for their talents will grow up to be the responsible citizens of tomorrow. May they grow up to make us proud and achieve the highest human values. We all have assembled here today to motivate and cherish young minds present among us. It is a great honor to welcome today's chief guest, Mr. Max Mendes. I request you to come to the dais, sir. I also welcome Mrs. Nancy Mendes to the dais. I feel delighted to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. Max Mendes, who is very special to Team Anok, as along with being a very successful businessman and philanthropist. He is also the eldest brother of a director and chairman, Mr. Arun Mendes. It is such a privilege to have him here with us today. Mr. Max Mendes hails from Mudbidri. At the age of 19, he took over his father's business and successfully ventured into the construction of several high-rise buildings in Mumbai. He broadened his horizons and expanded his business to Canada in 1999. He is now settled in Canada along with his wife, Mrs. Nancy Mendes, and is also blessed with 3 kids. Because business runs in his blood, he excelled in real estates even in Canada, achieving numerous high achievers awards, platinum and coveted red diamond awards year after year. Besides real estate, Mr. Maxim Mendes has several flagship business under his belt: settlement services, exports of acoustic, paneling and wood, hospitality and software development. Mr. Max Mendes is a visionary and leader. His passion for Konkani prodded with him to promote the Mangalorean culture. He takes great pride of being one of the founding members of the Mangalorean Association of Canada, Kendra World Foundation, Konkan Organization of Toronto, Konkani Catholics of Brampton, and Canadian Kendra Vision. He is supporting the education of orphanage children in Uganda. He has been an inspiration for many. Mr. Max Mendes has received the 2018 Radio Mango Award for substantially contributing to the cause and promotion of Konkani language, art and culture in Canada. For being a promoter of culture activities and for his leadership qualities, he has also been recognized with several awards, including the Toastmasters International Leadership Award and the BMO Hero of the Game. We are thankful to him for taking the time out of his busy schedule to attend the function. On behalf of Renault Mangalore, I request our Managing Director, Mr. Mithun Chowta, to welcome the chief guest with bouquet. Welcome you, sir. It is indeed a special privilege privilege and pleasure to welcome our Managing Director, Mr. Mithun Chowdhury, and Director, Mr. Arun Mendes. I request you to come to the dais. It is a great honor to call upon Mother of our Managing Director, Mr. Mithun Chowdhury, onto the dais. Ma'am. We would like to extend a special welcome to Mrs. Nidhi Mithun Chowdhury and Mrs. Jennifer Mendes. I welcome you, ma'am. We are delighted to welcome our business head, Mr. Mohammad Rizwan, HR manager, Mr. Jaideep Aman. I welcome you, sir. Parents are the world for children. Not to overlook that we are here, joined by the wonderful parents who have raised these beautiful kids. With immense admiration and affection, we welcome all the parents and little kids who have made the efforts to join this ceremony. Last but not the least, I wholeheartedly welcome all the staff, management, and colleagues. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Madhuri. Well, to make this evening even more blessed one, let's now invoke the blessings of Almighty by lighting the lamp. I request the respected dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward and light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate the event. Come forward and brief about the Cute Kid Competition 2021. Over to you.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Good evening all. Renault Cute Kid Contest. We have been conducting this contest since 5 years. Apart from this, we have been organizing a lot more events for children and the family. I would like to say a big thank you to all the kids who took part in the Renault Cute Kid Contest 2021, and also to their parents for their enthusiasm. Everyone has shown tremendous interest and the potential has been incredible. We are very grateful to all for your support all through the event. This year, we had 700 plus entries for the contest. It was certainly a very challenging task for us to choose winners among all the cute kids. Every child is beautiful and unique, but as you all know, a competition must have winners. So we had to select a few on the basis of few criteria that has been set. Participation is more important than winning. Therefore, every participant will be given a certificate of appreciation for their participation. We will be coming up with such more online events frequently, and those who could not make it this time can always try next. On behalf of Team Renault Mangalore, I thank each and everyone and hope to see you in our future events and competitions. Thank you.
Our Director Arun Mendes, sir, to kindly come forward and speak few words. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Dignitaries on the dais, my brother Max Mendes, my sister-in-law Nancy Mendes, my friend Mithun Chowdhury, his mother, and my very loving family also, Sumanaji, Jaideep, Rizwan, and our customers, and the little children, and the parents. Today is a great occasion. We have this Renault Cute Kid Contest for the last 5 years. Every year we organize these events so that the talents in the children can come out and we become a stage for their growth and also for their development. I should especially thank the sales team, especially Rizwan. He is a man of vision and always promotes these activities. And it's nice to see all of you coming here in the short notice and participating in this event. It is not the time to talk much because kids are waiting for their prizes, and definitely I will not talk much. So I would like to thank you, each and every one of you, for coming today and being part of this. Please enjoy the event, and thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
All of you were eagerly waiting for the most awaited moment, that is prize distribution of the kids. So before we start with the prize distribution, I would like to say that after this pandemic, a lot of people have not got the opportunity to come out and literally make sure that their kids' talents are showcased. Once again, I would like to thank Renault for organizing such a wonderful event. Can we hear a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Renault company as a whole? Why? Because their team has put a lot of effort in making this event a successful one. And today we all are here witnessing the prize distribution ceremony of the Renault Cute Kid contest. And I'm sure if today the kids are winning the prize, the secret behind it is their parents. I'm sure Mata Mummy Nakulla deserves a huge round of applause, because kudos to the parents and the mummies of the kids. So Aklego, it was a big challenge for them, after all this pandemic, and literally it was indeed a wonderful moment for everyone to witness their kids receiving the prize today. So let's move on to the prize distribution ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, of the Cute Kid Contest 2021. So to begin with, we'll start with the 0 to 3 public choice category. In that, we have the second runner-up, Sriram Chetan Nayak. So can we hear a huge round of applause for Sriram Chetan Nayak on being the second runner-up of Renault Cute Kid 0 to 3 public choice category. So in the baby's absence, I would now like to call upon the first runner-up 0 to 3 public choice category, Nishma A. Okay, so let's proceed with the winner. The winner of the Renault Cute Kid Contest 2021 public choice is none other than Hanshi N. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Hanshi N, ladies and gentlemen?
And jubilation, I want the world to be and contented. I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell
Well, can we hear a huge round of applause for Hanshi?
Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid to think that you thought you were above the world.
Congratulations, Renault Choice 0 to 3 category. And we have the second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, Ritika Bhatt. Can we hear it for Ritika Bhatt of 0 to 3 Renault Choice category?
And jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
Congratulations, Ritika. We'll now move on to the second runner-up, Daivik S. Kotegar. Can we hear it for Daivik, ladies and gentlemen, on winning the Renault Choice 0 to 3 years category under Renault Choice. So can we all clap for Daivik, Choice 0 to 3 years category, we have the first runner-up, Preethan D'Souza. Preethan D'Souza on being the first runner-up of Renault Cute Kid contest. That is public choice category under 3 to 6 years. So we'll move on to the first prize winner, that is second runner-up. So please put your hands together for Anika Sandeep Shenoy. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Anika. Runner-up under 3 to 6 years public choice category, and we have the first runner-up, Himansh. Can we hear it for Himansh, ladies and gentlemen? Very good, Himansh. Very congratulations. On to the Cute Kid contest 0 to 3 years category public choice. So we have the winner, Supeksha U. Shetty. Supeksha U. Shetty winning the prize under 3 to 6 years public choice category. I'm sure may all the kids receive many more prizes, and we are expecting many more participation from all the kids along with the parent support. And this is Supeksha U. Shetty, winner of public choice 3 to 6 years category Cute Kid Contest 2021. Very congratulations, Supeksha. Cute Kid contest 3 to 6 years Renault Choice category. So under the Renault Choice, we have the second runner-up, Sanidhya S. Very congratulations. And also, after the program, we have the talent show competition. So, maklu yaradru dance athwa enadru avರ talent ಅನ್ನು showcase ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತಂದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I request the parents to kindly give the names of the kids who are interested in singing, dancing or any magic shows or anything like that, any talent in that case. So at the end of this program, we are having a short time for the kids especially to showcase their talent. So ಏರೆಗಾಂಡಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲೇನ ಪುದರ್ ಕಂತ್ ಕೋರೋಡ್ ಪಂತ್ ಏನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ we are keeping a talent show competition. Move on to the second runner up, Danish Ahmed Asadi.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. When I
0 to 3 years category public choice, the first runner-up has arrived, Please put your hands together for Nishma A, ladies and gentlemen. First runner-up of Cute Kid Contest 2021 under 0 to 3 years category public choice.
That I was only fooling myself to think you loved me. But since tonight you said you wouldn't live without me, that roundabout me, you wanted to station and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Congratulations, Nishma. So I would like to call upon the first runner-up, Shivanya S. Congratulations. Renault Cute Kid Contest 2021, 3 to 6 years Renault Choice category. We have the winner, Arya Rao. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Arya Rao, the winner of 3 to 6 years Renault Choice category of Cute Kid Contest 2021. Congratulations, Arya. So now we'll move on to the other categories prize distribution. And among the other categories of Cute Kid Contest prize distribution, the first award is for the best photography. And the best photography award under 0 to 3 years age group is backed by Ditya G. Alva. Can we hear it for Ditya, ladies and gentlemen? For the best photography award. Okay, on behalf of Ditya, her dad is receiving the prize. So, Materla Jora Nanchitina Tate Kolpan Kenundule. So, on behalf of Ditya, her father is receiving the prize today for the best photography. Many congratulations. And we'll move on to the next category. Under 0 to 3 years for the cute smile. And the cute smile category award goes to Sahit. Sahit is winning the cute smile award. A huge round of applause. We'll move on to the next category of award, that is Charming Kid Award for 0 to 3 years. And we have the winner, Ayan. Can we hear it for Ayan? Round of applause for Ayan. of award is for the best hair. And the best hair award goes to Shriyan T. Raj. Can we hear it for Shriyan, ladies and gentlemen, for the best hair award? Can we hear it for Shriyan T. Raj, ladies and gentlemen? That is the Renault Special Recognition Award. And the Renault Special Recognition Award goes to Mahi Acharya. So here is the princess coming on the stage. Mahi Acharya.
And celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you.
That is for the Renault Star Kid. And the Renault Star Kid Award goes to Arav Shetty. Can we hear it for Arav Shetty? The Renault Star Kid Award goes to Arav.
Congratulations and celebration when I
Congratulations. And now we'll move on to the next category of award 0 to 3 years. That is Renault Special Recognition. Once again, it goes to Shriya S. Salyan. Renault Special Recognition Award goes to Shriya S. Salyan. Congratulations. And now we'll move on to the 3 to 6 years under Cute Kid Contest 2021, 3 to 6 years, other categories. And first award is for Chubbiest Cheeks. And the Chubbiest Cheeks award is backed by Angelisa Norona. Congratulations to her on winning the Chubbiest Cheeks award. Move on to the next category, 3 to 6 years, for the best pose. And the best pose award is backed by Viha Shetty. Can we hear it for Viha Shetty?
I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation.
Congratulations. So we'll move on to the next category of award, that is for the best dressed up kid award. And the best dressed up kid award goes to Manushi Kamath. Dressed up in a traditional dress code. Amazing. Congratulations. Yeah, she deserves this award. Best dressed up kid. She's in a tradition attire with a sari, you all can see. And this is Manushi Kamath, ladies and gentlemen.
When I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented.
Can we hear a huge round of applause for Manushi Kamath? We'll now move on to the next category of award.
and celebration.
Okay, so this is for the cutest twin award, and the cutest twin award goes to Sanitya and Sahitya. Right? A huge round of applause for Sanitya and Sahitya on backing the cutest twin award, Cute Smile. And the Cute Smile award is backed by Tia Rao. Can we hear it for Tia Rao, ladies and gentlemen, on backing the Cute Smile award? A huge round of applause. Yeah, indeed she has that cutest smile on her face, you all can see. Okay, so this is Tia Rao. On to the next category of award for the best photogenic face, and the best photogenic face award goes to Riyanshi S. Kiran. All right. So her father proudly said that 3 years continuously she backed a prize for best pose, best smile, and another award. A very congratulations, Riyanshi S. Kiran. May you keep participating every year and winning more and more prizes here. That is the Vibrant Kid Award, and the award is backed by Disha S. Rao. Very good. We have under 0 to 3 public choice category, second runner-up Sriram Chetan Nayak. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Sriram Chetan Nayak? Congratulations. And we have under other categories 0 to 3 years. Little Princess Award is been backed by Diya R. Bandari. So can we hear it for Diya R. Bandari on backing the Little Princess Award? A huge round of applause. Alright, so this was Diya R. Bandari backing the Little Princess Award. So we have a special award for Mayuka and Anuyog. Please put your hands together for Mayuka and Anuyog. Alright, so they are the kids of our Managing Director Mithun Chowta sir, Mayuka and Anuyog. So on this happy moment, we would like to have a small cake cutting ceremony. So I request all the kids who have won the prize to kindly come forward, as we'll now have the cake cutting celebration.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದವರು ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಂಡೀಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಿಜ್ವಾನ್ ಅವರು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಿಜ್ವಾನ್, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಿಜ್ವಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಿಥುನ್ ಚೌಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇವರು. ಸೊ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥವರು ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಮೆಂಡೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಅತಿಥಿ ನಿಧಿ ಮಿಥುನ್ ಚೌಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಜೆನಿಫರ್ ಮೆಂಡೀಸ್, ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಯನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಿಜ್ವಾನ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ HR ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಜಯದೀಪ್ ಅಮೀನ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
We have come to the moment we all were eagerly waiting for, that is the lucky draw. So soon we are going to reveal so this is a prize which is kept in front. I'm telling Mayuka to pick one chit and we will be witnessing the lucky winner of the day today. So can we hear it for Mayuka, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, please come forward, Mayuka. So she'll be picking one chit and let's see erna nasi bettendu pandini. So ereg lucky prize tikund pantuka in the count of 3, 2, 1. I request you to pick one chit, okay? And give it to me. All right. So this was the kid who won the Cute Smile Award. Okay? Any guesses? Cute Smile Award was won by this kid. Any guesses? Barad Pudar. Panpayani Erpand. Okay, so I think this is a girl baby. Girl baby, Cute Smile Award winner. No names? I think most of them have won, and I'll tell the category also. 3 to 6 years category, girl child, Cute Smile Award winner. Yes? Yes, and the winner is Tia Rao. Ladies and gentlemen, the lucky winner, the Cute Smile Award, Tia Rao is the lucky winner of this evening. Can we hear a huge round of applause? So you all can see the smile on her face is constant, okay? And she's also been the lucky winner for the day. A very congratulations, Tia Rao. She's very happy. Yeah, congratulations, Tia. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to thank all the dignitaries on the dais. A huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Well, thank you so much. Your presence means a lot. Thank you.